everyone. I just arrived in Brazil 2 days ago, and I was in a conference, another conference in Tokyo. After the conference, we shared together in Singapore of Orthopedics and Obesity conference. I would like to thank all the organizing committee for the brilliant event, especially Catherine Cruz, and I would also like all the keynote speakers such as Dr. Wang Wei from Singapore, Dr. James from USA, and Dr. Katarman from India, and all the other speakers that from all over the world, such as those from Australia, Bangladesh, India, Iran, Libya, Qatar, and Pakistan. Sorry if I left someone out of these countries. And I would also like to thank all the participants that was there participating in the conference, and all the people that was helping for the conference to work well. And I would like to invite you to come to Brazil someday, and I hope to see you in some future conference next opportunity. Thank you once again, and bye-bye. See you again soon.